The mindset shift from I have to I get to. Your brain is the most advanced learning machine in the known universe, but it comes with a tricky operating system. You can't force it like a slave driver. You must hack it like a master programmer. Step 1. Install the Unshakable Y operating system. Your brain refuses to learn things it deems irrelevant. The first and most crucial step is to connect the subject to a deep, emotional and personal reason. The carrot versus the stick. Fear of failure is a weak stick. The desire for a better life is a powerful carrot. Weak. Why? I have to learn this for the exam. Powerful why? I am learning Python to build the app I've always dreamed of, which could give me financial freedom. Or I am learning Spanish to have deep, meaningful conversations with my partner's family and feel truly connected. Action. Before you open a book, write down your unshakable why. Make it so vivid and compelling that your mind can't refuse it. Step 2. Prime your brain for learning. You can't just switch from scrolling social media to deep learning. Your brain needs a ramp. The 5-minute rule. Commit to working on the task for just 5 minutes. The hardest part is starting. Once you begin, the psychological friction decreases, and you'll often find yourself continuing. Create a ritual. Light a specific candle, play a specific focus playlist, or make a special cup of tea. This signals to your brain it's time to enter learning mode. Environment design. Your environment is stronger than your willpower. Remove distractions. Put your phone in another room. Use website blockers. A clean, dedicated space tells your brain it's time to focus. Step 3. Hack the learning process itself. This is where you use neuroscience to your advantage. Hack number 1. Chunking. Don't swallow the whale. Your brain panics in the face of huge tasks. Learn quantum physics is overwhelming. Understand the concept of wave-particle duality in 25 minutes is manageable. Action. Break everything down into chunks, small enough that you can't possibly fail. Hack number 2. Active recall. The ultimate weapon. Passively reading or highlighting is weak. Your brain doesn't sweat, so it doesn't learn. Active recall is the practice of actively retrieving information from your brain. Action. Read a page or watch a video. Close the book or pause the video. Write down or say out loud everything you can remember. Check what you missed. This struggle is where learning happens. Hack number 3. The Feynman technique. Teach it to a child. Named after the Nobel-winning physicist Richard Feynman, this method forces true understanding. Action. Take a blank sheet of paper and write the concept you're learning at the top. Explain the concept in the simplest language possible, as if teaching it to a 12-year-old. Identify the gaps in your explanation, the places where you got confused or used complex jargon. These are your knowledge gaps. Review and simplify again. Hack for 4. Spaced repetition. Beat the forgetting curve. Your brain is designed to forget. You must fight back by reviewing information at strategically increasing intervals. Action. Use apps like Anki or Quizlet, or simply schedule quick 5-minute reviews of old material the next day, 2 days later, a week later, etc. Step 4. Fuel the machine. You can't run a Ferrari on cheap fuel. Your brain is a Ferrari. Sleep. This is non-negotiable. Sleep is when your brain solidifies memories and cleans out metabolic waste. Prioritize 7-9 hours. Exercise. Even 20 minutes of brisk walking increases blood flow to the brain, improving memory and thinking skills. Nutrition. Hydrate. Your brain is 75% water. Feed it healthy fats, avocado, nuts, antioxidants, berries, and complex carbs. Step 5. Embrace the discomfort. Learning is inherently uncomfortable. It means being bad at something before you become good. Reframe the feeling of confusion and struggle. Change your self-talk instead of, "I'm so stupid, I don't get this." Try, "My brain is growing. This struggle means I'm building new neural pathways." The final command? Start before you feel ready. The biggest trick your mind plays on you is telling you that you need to feel motivated to start. Action comes first, motivation follows. Don't wait for the perfect time, the perfect mood, or all the right resources. Take one tiny chunk from step 3 and do it now. Force the initial action and the momentum will carry you. You are not a prisoner of your mind, you are its architect. Now go build.